The male force penetrates, and the feminine force absorbs and assimilates. The male force penetrates the feminine energy and impresses upon it the idea and blueprint. The feminine energy then takes that blueprint, absorbs it, assimilates it, and then later gives birth to the creation. It builds the blueprint that the male force has supplied. And you can see how physical sex totally adheres to the law of gender. This should all make perfect sense so far because you're already familiar with all the aspects of procreation on this physical level. Now we're going to take this concept and principle and apply it to your magic, or more specifically, the mind. The male energy is that fiery dynamic force that we refer to in magic as the will, which is part and parcel to the conscious mind. Whereas the feminine energy resides within the subconscious mind. When your will successfully penetrates and impresses upon the subconscious mind will then absorb and assimilate those blueprints given by the will, and then turn and give birth to the results of your magic in perfect synchronization within your reality. This is why the will is so important in magic.